everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. In this following video, I'll show you how can you recover a deleted Instagram account. In order to recover a deleted Instagram account, you could follow the steps. Now there are a couple of things you need to remember before you do it or before you delete your account. As you delete your Instagram account, it's going to be deactivated for 30 days. But once it reaches 30 days, it's going to be deleted permanently. If you're trying to recover your account after 30 days, it will be quite difficult for you to recover. So however, you could give it a try and see whether that works or not. So I'm using a web version, as due to some security concern the screen will go black. You could also use a mobile application, it doesn't matter. Open up a browser and on the web address bar you want to type in instagram.com, login. Once you do it, I'm going to press the first link that comes, and here what next you want to do is enter in the email address or the registered phone number, all of that. And as for the password, you want to go ahead and type in that. So after you type in your information, click the login button. So you could see this sort of pop-up menu. Now if you want to go ahead and recover your account, click on keep account. And once you do it, now when you click on keep account, and then you'll be logged into your account successfully. So this is the way you could do it. But then as mentioned earlier, if it has already reached 30 days, it's going to be quite difficult for you to recover it. However, you could try this procedure. If it does not work out, then you could directly contact the help support and they should be able to help you out. So that is the way you could do it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.